Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Today I'm going to be making some cards using our December box of the month. In this kit, there's the stamp set called Sweet Birthday, and it's just so pretty. I just love coloring sweets, so these were really fun to color. I already did the little cake, and it turned out so pretty. The paper in the kit, there's two collections. The collection I'm using today is called An Elegant Birthday, and I love the colors in here. Look at this pink. So I'm going to pick out a sheet of paper. We're going to cut down our panel here, and then we're going to mat it on one of these papers. So I kind of colored the image to kind of go with the paper pad. And then I wanted to stencil in the background. This is going to be like a clean and simple card. I'm going to use the stencil that comes in the box. It's called Drifting Confetti, designed by Call Me Crafty Al, and her information is on the back of the stencil. She is on our design team. She is so talented. Our designer for all our paper pads and ephemera, some of our stamp sets, is Teresa Russell, and she is Fresh and Renewed with Teresa here on YouTube. She's formerly known as Scrappin' for Less. So she does a great job at putting together all those fabulous paper pads. So let's pick out a patterned paper. So I really like the glitter pink one, but let's see. So you get 4 of each design. There's stuff on the back. There's designs on the back. This is a really cool print, but that one's not going to match with my coloring here. More like this one would match. So that's really pretty. I do like that. Let's see what's on the back. Gold glitter. I don't want to use like a pattern with images because it's only going to be a little bit of a border for this card. So I don't want to waste that. And then we've got that on the back. We've got a black glitter. That's really cool. Patterns on the back. This is pretty. Look at the cakes, cupcakes, and that on the back. And then we've got this nice pattern with the pink glitter. I kind of like that pink glitter or this one. I think I'm going to go with the pink glitter just because I'm going to do some confetti. I want to keep this card looking clean and simple. Here's a quick peek at the coordinating ephemera for the paper pad. Super pretty. I'm going to add the mask onto my image. You don't need to worry about cutting around the stem because it's just, it's not a solid space, so it's not going to matter when you stencil over it. So this panel is going to be cut down. So I'm not going to worry about filling up the whole sheet. And I kind of want it to look just like kind of in the middle more. So I'm probably not going to go around the edges. We'll see. Okay, I'm using Victorian Velvet Distress ink. I'm using a large soft brush. And I'm just going to start in the center and do little circle motions. I have a mask on, so it's not going to go over my image. And then I'm just going to bring it out softly so the color kind of fades as it gets further out. I'm not going to re-ink it. Okay, so there it is. Then I will take off the mask, and then we'll cut my panel down. Make sure I don't have any inky fingers picking this mask off. Okay, so I'm going to cut this down and then we're going to mat it on our designer paper. So I've got my layers all cut out. I think I want to put a little shadow under the cake so it's not just floating there. I'm going to take, I think a gray marker and just do a little shadow. So I'm going to grab my C5, C3, and C1. I'm just taking my 0 and just going around the edges. It'll just soften up those edges there. Kind of fades it into the white. Okay, so let's put this card together. I think I should have masked a little bit of the sentiment so the sentiment could stand out better. I think maybe I'll put a flag banner on top because with the confetti, it kind of is a little busy behind the sentiment. Okay, I used a Sunny Studio flag banner here, so I'm going to just put this right over my sentiments and try to get that on straight and centered. Okay, I'm going to bring out some clear sequins just for an added touch here. The kit does come with some sequins, so that would work too. I just don't have it in front of me. And this is just like some 3D dimensional confetti. Okay, that completes my card. Super, super pretty. Love the confetti falling down. Perfect for your birthday cards. And I love the glitter. So you can use this stamp set not only for birthdays, but for maybe to a sweet friend. There's a nice sentiment that comes with this, to a sweet friend. Perfect images for that. Any celebration or happy birthday, somebody that deserves a sweet treat, that would be a nice sentiment to go with these images. Okay, take a look at the other 2 cards that I created. Which one is your favorite? Leave it in the comments section down below. So let's take a look at how all the cards turned out. Here's another one that I did. I thought it turned out really pretty. I love the black border, and I used the black piece of paper with glitter on it from the paper pad, and then the shadow at the bottom, used the stencil and added extra sequins. These are the sequins that come in the kit, and I just love the vibrancy of the cherries against the black. Here's the next one. So that one turned out really pretty too. I just love this image. It's so yummy looking. And then I used this sheet of paper for our border here, and I just love that. And then again, all done in the same way with the stencil and then the sequence. And then here's the third one. So this one has the pop-up banner because I had messed up on the sentiments. Other than that, it's done the same way. So I hope you guys enjoyed these cards, and I'll have all the links in the description box for you. Thanks for stopping by, and I will see you next time. Bye guys!